Hi class, Mrs. Calvi here. A quick review on finding the area of composite figures, which are also known as irregular figures or compound figures. So I have a figure here, and we don't have a formula for it because it is a composite figure. So I need to cut it into pieces or decompose it into two figures that I know the formula for. So if I go ahead and I actually cut it horizontally here, I then have rectangle A and rectangle B. Now, I need to figure out what the length and the width are for each one in order for me to calculate the area. So I'm going to work with rectangle A first, and I notice that we have the length of 4 inches. So my length is 4, and I need to now multiply that by my width. Well, my width is going to be this piece, but if you notice, I don't have the length of that piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this entire side, and I know that this entire side is 6 inches. I also know that just this piece is 5 inches. So if the entire thing is 6 inches and this piece is 5 inches, I know that my width here for just this piece has to be 1 inch. So I know my width is 1 inch. So I'm going to plug in 1 for my width. I'm going to solve 4 times 1 is 4, and that is going to be 4 square inches. But that is just for rectangle A. So now I need to go ahead and find the area of rectangle B. So I'm going to erase just to hold on. Don't want to erase my whole figure, so I'll just change my color in the meantime. Okay, so figure B, again, it's a rectangle, so length times width. So at the bottom here, I do not have my length. I need to figure this piece out. I know that this entire line across is 4 inches because up here it says 4 inches. So if this entire thing is 4 inches, and I know that this piece is 2 inches, this missing piece has to be 2 inches. So now I know that my length is 2, and my width is going to be this piece, which they gave us the measurement for, which is 5 inches. So plug in 5, 2 times 5 is 10, and that gives me 10 square inches. Now I'm not done yet because I need to add up the area of rectangle A, add up the area of rectangle B, and get my total area of my composite figure. So this one is 14 square inches. Okay? Now I hope that this was helpful, and I will talk to you soon.